Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if white spaces are not showing in your Microsoft Word document. So let me just quickly open my Word document, and as you can see, there are no white spaces right here at the top. This is the first page, and if I go to the next page, I cannot see the white spaces right here at the top. So that white spaces that will make your document more clear to separate the pages. Like you can easily say that it is the page 1 and it is the page 2 through that white blank page. Or it's very neat to look at too. Now, how can we fix this if this is looking like this? Well, do not worry, it's very easy. You just need to simply click on the File tab, and here you will find this More. Click on Options. Now for the word options, you just need to simply click on this display, and here you will find this option, page display options. Show white space between pages in print layout view. So in order to bring back the white space between pages, you just need to simply check that from here and click on OK. And that's it. So see, it's more precise to look at, or it's more pleasing to look at than without having the white space on your pages. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.